Hello, I'm Yvette from ShortPoint. When it comes to intranet design, colors play a vital role. They greatly impact how users perceive your site's content, its flow, and the emotions it evokes. The colors you choose also help establish your company's brand among users. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can apply your organization's brand colors to your SharePoint site using ShortPoint Theme Builder. You will learn how to customize the colors of individual design elements, set your brand colors as a default color theme on your site, and save them so that they are accessible across all sites within your tenancy. ShortPoint gives designers the ability to have greater flexibility and control when it comes to selecting colors for its design elements and components. Let's take a look at the panel design element as an example. Once you add it to your site, you'll notice a field that allows you to choose the color for that specific design element. You have several options available to you. You can select a color from a drop-down menu, use the color picker to choose a specific shade, input the hex code, or even enter an RGB code. Furthermore, if you navigate to the Advanced tab, you can customize the color of each individual component within the panel. However, if you're aiming for a consistent appearance throughout your site and you have strict branding guidelines to adhere to, it can be quite laborious and time-consuming to manually select or input the appropriate branding color for each design element. That's where the ShortPoint Theme Builder comes in handy. You can set your company's brand colors as the default color theme of your site in just a few clicks. Let's take Brightworks brand guidelines as an example and assign the prescribed color scheme to this site. In the Theme Builder main menu, you'll see a section called Branding. Click on it and select Color Palette. You'll find 6 fields where you can enter the specific colors of your company's brand. Whenever you make a change in the color palette, it will instantly be applied to the page you're currently viewing. This allows you to preview your changes and make any necessary adjustments. It's important to note that these modifications won't be visible to other users until you hit the Publish button. This gives you the freedom to experiment with your design and make sure everything looks just right before making it public. Once you've finished updating the color palette, you'll notice that all other color fields within the Theme Builder will now display your brand colors as convenient options in the drop-down menus. For instance, when you are modifying background colors for your site, your brand colors will be right at the top of the list, making it incredibly easy for you to select and apply them to your site. This same convenience applies to the color fields within your design elements, which we'll explore shortly. To ensure that your changes to the color palette are saved, simply click on the Publish button. Now when you add the panel design element, just like we did before, its default color will match your brand colors. Additionally, you'll find that your brand colors are included in the drop-down options, making it easy for you to select them. Applying further adjustments to ensure that all the elements on your page look perfect will be a breeze. You'll also notice that when you add any of the section and page templates from the templates library, their colors will automatically match the color theme you've already set up. When you click on the Publish button, a company theme called ShortPoint will be created automatically. If you have different branding colors for various departments, offices, teams, or other purposes, you can easily add them using the Theme Builder. To do this, you can revisit the color palette and update the colors in the corresponding fields. Then navigate to the Color Theme tool, give your color theme a name, and click on Create New. Don't forget to hit Publish to save your modifications. These newly created company themes will be available to you and other editors across multiple sites within your SharePoint tenancy. If you want to delete ShortPoint created color themes, this is also where you should go. That's how simple it is to apply your company's brand colors using ShortPoint Theme Builder. Now you can concentrate on how your colors can enhance the user's experience while they engage with your content. Thank you for watching.